All right, y'all. So this is a PSA Dagger Compact, whatever, like Glock 19 size. Yeah, PSA Dagger Compact on a Delta Team Tactical upper. It is. I got a look, I can see that right there. I got a fucking birdcage, fucking A2, right? I think they call it the A2. I think it's a birdcage, right? Something like that. They, you know what I mean? It has like the birdcage on there right there. But yeah, I got the A2. I got gun is unloaded, you know, so gun is unloaded. Basically, I got the Go Wutar fucking green dot. I can see the little green dot on there. I don't know if y'all can, yeah, y'all can see that. You know, got the little green dot on there. I got the little, I bought this shit. It just, I don't know, I guess someone printed this bitch out or something. They did something with this, like some type of ABS or whatever. But it's just a mag well for it, you know, so I can just mag well. Got some P mags. I mean, got some P mags. I also got some extendos on. But I also got, you know what I mean, got Glock mags, obviously. Got some Glock mags. So, yeah, this is some of that spear shit, that lawman, I think, right? Lawman, sound like that. I got some lawman in there, and then I have my my X Defense, my freedom munitions on here. So I got some of that right there. Got some mags, but I'm not really talking about the mags. But yeah, the Delta Team Tactical upper on a fucking PSA Dagger lower, Dagger Compact, whatever. But yeah, fucking great gun. I probably have about 400 rounds to this shit. Yeah, I can't really complain anything about this. It feels good. It got that nice palm swell right there. You can see, get the nice palm swell. I can get fairly high on the bore axis. It's not as high, obviously, as the bodyguard. The bodyguard's retarded, but this right here, I could, you know what I mean? I could drive down fairly good. I haven't shot it with the comp on, with the flash hider or whatever. Haven't shot it with the flash hider yet. I just had it with a threaded barrel. But yeah, for what it is, I really can't complain at all. Shit's good. Yeah, bro, like, it's good. It has fucking the mag release, whatever. Put this in there, mag release, you know what I mean? These mags do get a little stuck, but the Glock mags, they're perfect. You know what I mean? They fall out every time. So since they fucking fall out every time, I also bought this shit on fucking eBay. So, you know, a little bullshit eBay trigger shoe. It's not an actual trigger, like trigger job. It's just a little trigger shoe. I want something flat face, so I'm cool with that. Yeah, like, you know what I mean? Like, he works, like, you know what I mean? Got a nice gold barrel on there. Got the nice cutouts. Trigger's good on there. Like, it's a Glock trigger. I ain't really gonna show you guys the Glock trigger because it's a fucking Glock trigger. Yeah, I just couldn't deal with that two hinge. That hinge trigger fucking sucks. So I wanted to get a flat face trigger for it. You know, this is kind of more of like a range gun, whatever. It's a range tool, kind of. I do carry him though. I do like carrying this shit. It's just I haven't shot it with the comp yet, so I don't really want to carry it like that yet. Yeah, but yeah, I got the little green dot. You know what I mean? Got the little green dot on there. Got the little Glock sights on there. It doesn't code witness. Probably get some suppressor height sights. It's probably be the best thing for I can code witness. Or I could, you know what I mean, actually use my irons on here. But yeah, Palmetto State right there. You can see it right there, Palmetto State. And then right there it says compact. All right, y'all can see that. Yeah, right there. See, it says compact. Y'all can see the compact. Yeah, but Delta Team Tactical upper, I would definitely say it's a go. It works. It's good. It's not crazy expensive either. So, you know, he's good. I like him. He feels comfortable. This is probably the best. Like, for an example, I'm probably not going to buy no other Glock because I have the 26, but I sold that. Yeah, I'm probably not going to buy no other type of Glock unless it's like a PSA or the SCT. I haven't hold the SCT yet, but I kind of want to build one of those up because I built this shit up and I fucking love it. I love the grip that it has right here. I love it. I love this. Finger groove, I can kind of go without that, but it's not bad at all. It has a nice undercut. I know the Gen 6s that just came out or that are coming out, whatever, They have this shit. They have the nice little, you know what I mean, the nice little undercut on there. But I feel like this is just so much better. Like, this is just so much better than a fucking Glock, bro. It's just so much better. Like, so much better. Oh, yeah, I put a little piece of Talon grip right there. Just so I can put my finger right there. I probably end up taking that off because I kind of like this. Like this, but it's, you know what I mean, it's a bit slippery. At least this gives me some type of, it's still slippery, but at least it's some type of texture right there. But if I do that, my hands aren't fucking big enough for I can actually get the full contact. So I will go like this, and I'm like chilling right here, you know. But yeah, standard mag release, whatever. You know, standard mag release, standard everything. Yeah, he's just good, man. Like standard shit. You know what I mean? Standard fucking, it's shiny. As you can see, they actually shined this one up. But standard firing pin on there. Standard firing pin. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, like trigger decent. Like Glock trigger. So that's basically the PSA Dagger Compact right there. You know what I mean? The trigger's alright, like, you know what I mean? I just replaced the trigger shoe like I said before. But yeah, like, you know what I mean? Muzzle brake, fucking red dot, green dot, whatever. Fucking Delta Team Tactical upper. Yeah, like, I fuck with it. You know what I mean? I fuck with it. I would definitely get another PSA lower again. Maybe I'll make a 40 next time, cause I got some 40 mags. So maybe I'll maybe I'll get a little 40 next time. But yeah, bro. PSA Dagger Compact. Real quick review. Nothing too crazy. Can't really say nothing crazy about this because it's a fucking Glock. Like, it's fucking Glock. I don't really know how people would be reviewing Glocks like that. They'd be reviewing Glocks and they'd be like, oh yeah, all these things, bro. It's a fucking Glock. Like, it's a fucking Glock, bro. But yeah, bro, y'all stay safe. Y'all stay up. Y'all want to see me shoot the shit at the range, I'll make a video about that. And yeah, y'all stay safe. Peace.